Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently got some new items from Colourpop and I just wanted to show you guys and do a little tutorial. I got another Brow Boss eyebrow pencil. This is in the color dark brown. I love it. And then I got the Laura Lee Los Angeles eyeshadow colors, a new highlighter, and a new lippy. And I'm just going to go through and do some of the swatches here and show you guys what I got. And then I'm going to go through and show you my eye look. I hope you all enjoy. So the first thing I did was use my NYX Gotcha Covered concealer, and I put that under my eyes and I prepped my eyelids with it. And since there wasn't really a transition shade with these colors, I went ahead and went in with my butter bronzer and started off with a transition shade. And next I'm going in with the color Glitz, and I'm just going to work that into my crease as well. Next, I'm going in with the color Shiny, and I'm just going to add this on the outer corner to just darken it up a bit. These colors are super blendable and super buildable, and they're really pretty. Now I'm taking that blender brush again and I'm just going through and just blending the colors together. I didn't add any more color or anything. Next, I'm going in with the Flexitarian highlighter, and I'm going to do some highlighting on my brow bone. And now I'm going in with the color Hiney. This is probably my favorite color, and I'm just using my finger and dotting that right on the eyelid. And now I'm taking my flat brush, and I got it wet with my setting spray, and I'm just trying to get some more color on there. And now I'm going in with Glitz, and I'm doing my lower lash line. And I'm just blending, adding a little bit more color to the outer corner and just blending. And now it's time for some highlight. I'm going in with a Flexitarian highlighter and just brushing some of that on my cheeks. And it wasn't super pigmented, so I tried it with my finger, and that definitely had a lot of pigment. And now I'm going in with the Ultra Metallic Lip Color, and this is in the color Treat Wave, and I'm just putting that on the lips. This is super pretty. I did it just by itself right now, but it actually looks really pretty over darker colors too, but I just wanted to do more of a natural look with it. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!